Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.
Have you come across this video on social media? It pops up now and then, and as spellbinding as it is it true? The video comes with this claim. Imagine sitting in this place during the day, in between Russia and Canada in the Arctic. Here, the moon appears this big in size for 30 seconds and after blocks the sun for 5 seconds, then disappears. Glory to God for His creation. While the universe is full of unimaginable beauty and such fantastic sights could be possible, but it certainly isn't visible here on Earth. Our Earth is said to be living in Goldilocks conditions. That is, here, everything is just right the way it is. The moon, the sun is at the right distance. The atmosphere is the right thickness. The temperature is the right degree to support life. If anything were to disturb this balance, it could be catastrophic for us. The video here is not only impossible, it is not even an optical illusion, it is an editing trick. This work of fantasy is a product of brilliant work using computer-generated imagery. The artist behind it is Alexi, who goes by Alexi_NZ on TikTok. If the Earth were the size of a basketball, the moon would compare to a tennis ball, so that's not really too little. And if the moon were to orbit so close and so fast around the Earth as this video imagines, it would surely create gravitational pulls that would churn our oceans in unfathomable and dangerous ways and have dire effects on all life and objects on our planet. So this video is fascinating, but definitely not true.